Ekeombe kiabasae ikiyokemanyikene na bunge la Mwananchi nigo Kiamotianeire omurai wense omusike William Ruto asekeria bagotababuna omurai yo nigo atumegete obong'ainereria gosoa serikali bakorawa nomane nobo Calvins Gaucho abasabo nigo bagosereire gocha kwire getambukiro egetindi onye serikali ya Kenya Kwanza etegocha Ikerania chiira chiabo asamatuke yemo buna abalierete abakenya chiira chirejo ngamona kwa abachandegeteri kabeso ryogo chake biasara batari kwere no bwaita gokeya ligo ryo komenya egatie chiira chinde chinyinge echo murai Ruto arorekane kogenda mamincha na chirocho.
Basi mimi naitwa Steven Oko, mshirika na member wa bunge la wananchi, na hili ni statement ya wanabunge la wananchi kuhusu kulani siku 100 ya utawala ya hii serikali ya UDA ya bwana Daktari William Ruto. This is the statement of Bunge la Mwananchi, condemnation of 100 days of affordable unga conmanship and abolishment of kazi mtani program. I read, comradely greetings to fellow suffering Kenyans, on behalf of whom I would wish to strongly disagree and rebut several roadside and pronouncements by President William Ruto during the launch of Soweto B housing on Tuesday 25th October 2022. As Bunge la Wananchi and grassroots leaders, we deeply concerned with the casual and careless manner that the President addressed the following issues that greatly affects the jobless youths of our members and common Mwananchi. 100 days of unga price reduction. Lie. It is very sad that the President and immediate Deputy President, who understands the working of government, to con voters during the UDA campaigns that he has a quick solution for reducing the price of unga within 100 days in office, only to unashamedly turn around and declare he needs 365 days what to guarantee to the citizen that isn't another long con. That is a conmanship. Kazi mtani program abolishment. The program, which was originally Kazi kwa Vijana, is a social welfare intervention by previous regimes meant to catch on those at the lowest bottom of the pyramid against the economical turndown. So it is tragically ironic that the same individual who preached bottom up is now telling the vulnerable youth to go look for mjengo in Lang'ata. Sisi sio wajinga. Slum upgrading. We are fully aware of what happened in the Nyayo era high-rise estates, where well-connected individuals took advantage and allocated themselves multiple units in slum upgrading projects. Instead of the targeted deserving poor, we demand that the beneficiary list of the launching housing project be made public to the country so that people may know and understand those who have been allocated those houses when and how. Bunge la Mwananchi hereby urges all Kenyans of goodwill to be alert and not let themselves be taken for a delusional right. And also, we are sending a strong warning to the UDA government led by Dr. William Ruto and Gachagua, and now the CSS who have been appointed. In the words of Abraham Lincoln, he said, and I quote, "You can fool all the people sometime, and some of the people all the time, but you cannot fool all the people all the time." So he should stop fooling the whole nation. Alisema mwenyewe ya kwamba Kenya wajinga wamekwisha, na kweli Kenya wajinga wamekwisha.